Hello, everybody. Welcome to Excel Vxel. This is your guru, and today we'll be learning a new function called sum. So, sum is one of the most basic function used in Excel, and sum means addition of two or more values. That's it, nothing more than that. I'll just provide you multiple ways to use this function in Excel. So, as usual, let's start with a scenario first, and then I can explain the function to you. So here we have a mark sheet of a student with multiple marks. So he scored 55 in maths, 75 in physics, and so on. So what we need to do is we need to get the total of his marks. So there are two ways of doing it. One is if you have small amount of numbers, you can just type an equal to sum bracket start. Suppose you need the marks for maths and physics, you can just click on maths, comma, physics, bracket close, and hit enter. So this will give you the marks for the two subjects. But this is not the case normally. You will require to sum the list. It could be a huge list. So for doing that, you will have to use a range. So you will just have to type equal to sum bracket start. You just have to select the range you need to add, close the bracket and hit enter. So this gives you the total marks for the student. Okay, and there is a shortcut which can be used. So you just need to select the cell where you need to mark add the sum. Okay, so you just have to make sure that the sum is adjacent to the list. Okay, so you just need to press alt and equal to. Excel will automatically get the range for you, and you can just hit enter. Okay, so it gives you the same result. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you find this video useful, and let's meet up in the next video. Till then, keep rocking. Bye bye.